Well, and this being a betrayal to the Dombo gate in MPP, as you are a direct descendant of Dombo?
I don't think so. How will it constitute a betrayal? If you have a brother and there is a piece of assignment that is meant for the larger majority, if your brother cannot do it, if your brother will put your family to shame, there is no need, in all sincerity, for you to go and support that your brother to embarrass you at the end of the day. It is not a betrayal because I, amongst the three of us, is closer to the Dombo blood than any other person. So if my brother will use our family name, the family name that is the MPP, that was led by Dombo, and that will constitute a challenge, that will bring an embarrassment to Dombo, then I think that it is genuine, not a betrayal for me to come out to support Alan Chermantin. My name is Bride Yelviel Baligi, Member of Parliament for Lambuse in the Upper West Region. I chose to go with Alan because of the quality I observed in him, the substance that he's made of. Alan is such a person that is able to convert a real wild idea into a reality. He thinks of something and creates it. He is a mind that will not see challenges. All he sees is that this is an opportunity. Whatever others are supposed to see as a challenge, he rather sees it as an opportunity for his advancement. Alan is somebody we need as a party now. For we need somebody that can heal the party. The party is not, our party, the New Patriotic Party, is not in the best of shapes. It is at a crossroads, and we need someone of his caliber to come and reconcile the party, heal the party, unite the party, and take us to face this critical election in 2024.
You drew her almost voter region for Alan for voter region. Since time immemorial in our political history, there is no politician in MPP or popular in the voter region than Honorable Alan Kojo Chermantin. And indeed, look at where they travel from. They don't care about anything. They are focused, and they promise to deliver 70% victory for Alan November 4th. So yeah, we knew the love is deep. We know, sir, and just as they are saying, President Kufuor, the free maternal care buyer, Nanado, the free SHS buyer, Alan Chermantin Muhian said, so for us in voter region, we are comfortable, but I will continue to work. Until November 4th, total victory. Next flag bearer of the MPP, nobody can do anything about it. And of course, he will be the next president, 7 January 2025.
Alan on any paketua, and then Nancy no in any so per se ODMBP, Amanyo Konenim, or shall say free somewhere 207. Yakai, Tama Omoni, Nanado Dan Kwakufa Donumu, any Kaino Omoko, Brenomo 17, or 2nd. Intino, Uche, one of the campaign key messages MPP by after 18 winning election now. Now about 1D, 1F. On this argument by 1D, 1F, it is centered and directed as giving jobs to the youth. And to say, Obedi Minister Kwana Omayenya Juma say, not Obedi President. Then I just say to me, Juma Kwan says, and to me, the coming Kwan, just in Boom, Ghana, Utiri in Boom. Alan is the right way, is the man for the job. On account of the 70 by say job for the people, cash for the people. I can't obey as minister. You who know to me, saying in fact, you vote Mano. I mean, GDP say, Obetia boy, am I going?
Ombra, no my boy. Now, Alan, there, maybe 1 people when you know. I check my referendum, and some 1 people more. It's in there. Martini Ding, ni time now soon. Yamin Shirano. Say Butai on it, Timno, Yamin Mano. Ahone, Nombra, no my boy.
Thank you. Dia koni di fatana e fata akono. Ana sebi when ya yentimi fetu nkobokro no. Enne President Kufo e di free maternal health. Me enesini e be boy ma anatimi awo free. Na na do free SHS aba o mako school free. Enne ye kuye school dey na wo se ye hia dwuma. Ye enye
se obi a wa ma o kroawe no anum nso egu so ka se ne ode nampa ye koto ebrewa ye ni na chinye. Enye nani enim Alan e free 2012 nyina na edi Alan echi aye ne no e koba sa o medi ye mpo no yenim de oye na nne a abenwa na beda ho ade ba kwa me pese oti regional ye to Alan ne se oya hobrase nipa isan se bro ne na do hyase na duru bebi ananka o se ye jaima Alan na yeden ekọ nanso o man ho kwan ebre no ho ase e ka se dabi ye ma yenua na na kufu ado enko na ne eduru no so a de yesre oti delegate nyina se yenkoma Alan say yenim de obetimi aye oma
adi kronti edi na chinye say beto abama no ama na akọ abeye yedwuma wo yempata mama ye onu ntine ebe aha no ene obehwe school ejwa yenkwan ekwan road wahwe so amaye onu ntine aba ha no
ye unse wonu na oba obetimi aboa ye man no enti na edi na chi no ka kire omo ne nyina ni se ye mbo mwade ase ye ntuma no na onu bedi yesu se na ebe ya ye hu beto ye wo oman na mu
Fasa me first fasa me alangas me panipa be soba yan kwani nya se ye mana ye to nya mana ye niska to mbuaye ye so mbo ye so ye mbua no no me yan to ngade o me ska ne fa to ngade yan kwa na se pa kwa se to ye yan kwa ne maye o ye yan kwa ne
Bala Alan yo mabere na kwa vioji na kpọmọ nyọnu mi egbo na ọ na mi nyọnu ha mata mi la yo mala ngoyi mi ye ngoyi ado na fa mi
ya tisi vote
bala sam oba ya ma ya nti ne fi di na ji ni ya from me marry donyo ya di na ji onu ana ọkọ
mi le pa mi la yo mo pa ya koyo re ka koyo
bebre ala de ye penipa titi ati ye juju ni se ombra nti se si ade ye betu amani bebre ombe no be change vote amaye o ye juju nu dadada o ombra ntemo